If you choose dogs, scroll down one more time. I'll just tell you that. All right, cat lovers. You oh, hi there, Oreo.
I don't think he's
you
he does not
amazing.
like
You are
cameras.
kind of amazing.
He's YouTube sensitive, okay? He
Yes,
does not like showing
yes,
his face.
exactly, Nora. Exactly.
He does not like being public.
Anyways, so
he
in my opinion, cats are great, along with dogs. I'm sorry I just said that. They're great.
Like great emotional support pets.
Yes, exactly,
But they
Nora.
also keep you up all night.
Correct.
And it was a long story though. A few years ago, like the few days after we got him, my grandpa died. My great grandpa died. I didn't sleep till 6 a.m. because I was so sad, and they wouldn't let me sleep. And they were trying to make me feel better. They're like, yeah,
Yes,
like,
that's exactly what
that's
Fluffy
exactly what Fluffy and Oreo did.
do in my. Anyway, so dogs, lovers, scroll down. Peace.